So what is affiliate marketing? It's one of the simplest business models out there today. And while it still takes work, it's one of the fastest ways to get to full-time income online. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, social media marketing expert and online entrepreneur. And today, I'm going to show you our exact formula to create a successful affiliate marketing business and to start making at least $100 per day. So stick around. Affiliate marketing simply means that you refer people to other people's or companies' products. And this means that you don't have to deal with customer service, fulfilling orders, or any of those massive headaches. All you need to do is to recommend a product or service to people who are interested and maybe looking to buy. It's one of our very favorite business models and has played a huge part in helping Todd and I create a real lifestyle business where we've moved into our dream home down in the Sunshine State, both being stay-at-home full-time parents with our young kids. Now, affiliate marketing is a super simple model, and while it is super simple and also a scalable business model, it still takes work. Every legitimate opportunity is going to take work. If you ever find people proclaiming, fast, easy money, just run for the hills, because it's a surefire way to know that it's a scam. Now, before we dive into our formula, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button for notifications so you are notified as we come out with more videos for you. Todd and I are all about helping you create your online business, build your brand, grow your audience, generate leads, and make sales online. Plus, we are starting a full series just on affiliate marketing in particular, so make sure to subscribe so we can help you become successful. So let's first talk about the formula for a successful affiliate marketing business, and then we're going to go into the details on how to get to $100 a day. The first piece of the formula for a successful affiliate marketing business is traffic. Traffic is just a term for getting people in front of your message, in front of your stuff. Now, in order to actually make money from people buying something, you will need to get in front of a lot of people. People often underestimate this when they're first getting started, and they think they can just put an offer out there, out on the internet, and just somewhere magically, and people are going to see it. Hence, people spamming affiliate links out there everywhere. Well, that's not going to work. The truth is, it doesn't matter how great your offer is if no one sees it. And you're going to need a lot of eyeballs on your stuff if you want to make sales. And then once you start making sales, if you want to scale up and make more sales, that typically means more traffic. So where does the traffic come from? Well, there's two basic sources, organic traffic and paid traffic. Organic traffic is anything where people are finding your information on their own. So they're doing a Google search or a YouTube search for something and your information comes up. Or they found it through a regular post or your page on social media. Now, paid traffic, on the other hand, is where you are running ads to get in front of more people, get more traffic to your information. Now, there's a lot of different kinds of paid strategies, but nowadays the most common options are Facebook ads or Google and YouTube ads. Now, paid traffic is a great way to scale up quickly to get your information in front of a lot more people. But honestly, we don't recommend that until you have all the other pieces of the formula in place and you are seeing sales come in organically so that you know you are on the right track and that your ads have a chance to pay off for you and that you'll actually make some money from them. The second piece of the formula is content. Content can be anything from a YouTube video or a blog post to a Facebook Live or Instagram story. Now, typically, we prefer long-term content, things like YouTube videos or blog posts, because that content can work for you and reach new people for years to come. But short-term content like posts, lives, stories on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, that can also be very effective. Now, if you haven't learned how to create content and drive traffic organically on social media, I'll make sure that somewhere in the description we include links for both our Instagram and our Twitter trainings so you can check those out. But wherever you choose to create content, it needs to make sense for whatever you want to refer people to. So this could be a product review, a comparison, a how-to video, or just some piece of valuable information that people who like it are likely to be interested in your offer. Now that brings us to the final component of our successful affiliate marketing business formula, the offer or the recommendation. And yes, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you aren't tied to just one offer. You can have as many different offers as you want, but when you are first getting started, it's best to figure all of this out and to start seeing some success with just one before you decide to expand and to promote more offers. So when you bring targeted traffic, people likely to be interested in your offer, to your content where you make a recommendation or you share an offer with them, this is how you make sales. So how do you get to $100 a day? Well, the fastest way is to choose the right kind of offers that will help you get there in just 1 to 3 sales a day. I mean, yes, you could find something on Amazon where you earn just a couple bucks per sale, but honestly, think about that. How many sales would you have to make to just reach $100 per day? I mean, if you're just making $2 per sale, it's going to take a lot longer to reach 50 sales a day versus if you just have to make 1 or 2 sales a day. Now, how do you find an affiliate offer that pays more? Well, one thing is to understand is that digital products usually pay higher than physical products. Physical products require a lot more cost to manufacture, to store, to ship. So there isn't much leeway to give money to affiliates to referring people for the sale. And that's why you typically are looking at 5 to 7% of the sales price for a referral for a physical product. Now, digital products such as software, training programs, ebooks, downloadable programs, on the other hand, those things, they don't have any of those costs, and they are delivered to the customer digitally, usually through a membership site or simply a download. So they have much more room to pay affiliates, often 30 to 50% and sometimes more. Now, Todd and I have one online marketing training program that we promote where we make $100 for the very first month someone is a customer and $75 every month ongoing afterwards. So if we make 1 sale a day with that offer, that very first month would be $100 a day or about $3,000 for the whole month. But it continues to compound from there month after month as long as folks continue with their subscription. Pretty nice. Now, while that program is currently more aligned towards different types of online business owners as their customers, it actually is a really good affiliate program. So somewhere down in the description, guys, I'll make sure that we include the link down there so that you can check it out to see if you want to look at it from an affiliate perspective. Bluehost is another great example. Bluehost is a website hosting service. So folks typically need this if they're going to create a website. Now with Bluehost, you earn $65 for every sale. So it only takes 2 sales a day to be over $100 a day. ClickFunnels is another great example. They offer 40% commissions for every month someone is a customer. So that's about $39 a month or $119 a month, depending on the product that people purchase. Digital products will by far get you to $100 a day fastest. So you simply find an offer that you want to promote, decide on the content you want to create that leads people to that offer, create the content, and then drive traffic to the content. Now, if you really want to become a professional and want to learn the step-by-step training on how to become successful with affiliate marketing, simply click the link at the top of the description or on this little icon on the upper right of your screen to check out our free training teaching you exactly how to get started. Now, you definitely want to check this out as it will help you get up and running as fast as possible as an affiliate marketer. So are you ready to start making $100 a day with affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments and be sure to include any further questions that you have on affiliate marketing so we can get those answered for you. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and to let us know. We greatly appreciate it. Take care, and we'll see you soon.